The DJI Air 3, released in July 2023, has experienced significant overheating issues, particularly in high-temperature environments and during intensive flight operations. Understanding these thermal challenges is crucial for safe drone operation. The DJI Air 3 faces four primary overheating challenges. Battery thermal management failures occur during extended flight sessions. The gimbal and camera overheat when exposed to direct sunlight. Motors overheat during aggressive flight maneuvers or high wind conditions. Finally, internal components experience thermal stress that affects flight performance and safety systems. DJI has responded to these thermal issues with several firmware updates. The most significant is firmware version 01.00.06000, released in late 2024, which includes enhanced thermal monitoring algorithms, improved temperature warnings, better battery thermal regulation, and automatic flight restrictions in hot conditions. Understanding heat generation sources is essential for thermal management. The lithium polymer battery generates the most heat during discharge and charging cycles. Electric motors produce significant heat under load. Electronic speed controllers, flight processors, and camera stabilization systems all contribute to the overall thermal load of the drone. Critical temperature thresholds must be monitored for safe operation. Batteries should operate between 15 to 40 degrees Celsius, with critical overheating above 60 degrees. Motors should stay below 80 degrees Celsius for safe operation. Internal electronics typically have thermal shutdown protocols that activate between 70 to 85 degrees Celsius. Effective thermal management relies on four key principles. Passive cooling uses natural airflow during flight to dissipate heat. Active monitoring employs real-time temperature sensors throughout the drone. Thermal throttling automatically reduces performance when temperatures rise. Emergency protocols can force immediate landing when critical temperatures are reached, protecting both the drone and surrounding area. Effective battery management is the foundation of preventing DJI Air 3 overheating. Proper storage, charging protocols, and rotation strategies can significantly reduce thermal stress on your drone system. Store your batteries at room temperature between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius or 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. This optimal temperature range prevents thermal stress and maintains battery chemistry stability. Avoid charging batteries immediately before flights in hot conditions. Instead, use cooling fans during the charging process to maintain safe operating temperatures and extend battery lifespan. Implement a battery rotation strategy using multiple battery sets. This prevents thermal buildup by allowing each battery adequate cooling time between flights while maintaining continuous operations. Flight optimization involves strategic planning based on environmental conditions and operational parameters. By adjusting flight patterns and timing, you can significantly reduce thermal stress on your drone. Limit flights when ambient temperature exceeds 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Plan your flights during cooler periods, such as early morning or evening hours, to minimize thermal exposure. Maintain moderate flight speeds under 15 meters per second in hot conditions. Reduce aggressive maneuvers and avoid prolonged hovering in direct sunlight, as these behaviors increase motor strain and heat generation. Real-time monitoring and emergency protocols are essential for safe drone operations. The DJI Fly app provides critical temperature indicators, while proper emergency procedures can prevent equipment damage. Monitor temperature status indicators in the DJI Fly app continuously during flight operations. The app provides real-time warnings for battery, motor, and system temperatures to help prevent overheating incidents. In case of overheating warnings, immediately terminate the flight and execute a safe landing. Allow the drone to cool down completely, then inspect all components for potential thermal damage before the next operation. By implementing these practical cooling solutions, optimizing your flight operations, and following proper safety protocols, you can effectively manage DJI Air 3 overheating issues and ensure safe, reliable drone operations in various environmental conditions.